Hello lovely viewers, this is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Today we are preparing some breakfast, delicious breakfast, club sandwich with tea. We have neatly washed lettuce with vinegar and salt. We have sliced cucumber, also neatly washed. We have fresh tomatoes, also neatly washed. And then we have some boiled and sliced eggs. We also have loaf of bread. We have mayonnaise. And then we have tuna chunk for the filling and my bowl to mix. Join me and let's put our hands on.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
Hello. Here we go. Our club sandwich with some hot Lipton is ready. I hope you enjoy it. You can also use your own ingredients available. So try your hands on it and send me a comment. Like and subscribe. See you. God bless you. Tasty and fresh. We are touching lives through tasty meals. Thank you.